Chapter 2 Basics of Forex Derivatives. Derivative instruments are forward contract, options, swaps, forward rate agreements, and futures. Exchange risk. If dealer does not do transaction in time, he is exposed to exchange risk due to movements in exchange rate. Foreign exchange exposure due to transaction, translation, and operation. Transaction is due to currency risk due to business operation, and here value of transaction is affected. Translation is due to revaluation of assets and liability. Operating or economic exposures due to external factors or in market or economy. Next is settlement risk. Settlement risk can be of two types, pre-settlement and settlement. These are important points from Maximilian Chapter 2, BFM International Banking. Module A. Pre-settlement is due to failure of counterparty, and settlement is due to different time zone. The counterparty is at different time zones. Next is liquidity risk, is also known as funding risk. Country risk or sovereign risk. Interest rate risk or gap. Forward purchase and sales, borrowing and lending, etc. will create a mismatch between asset and liabilities, and this is known as gap or gap risk. Operation risk is managed by dealing room. Legal risk is counterparty has no regulatory authority in legal risk. CCIL acts as central counterparty CCP from April 2001. Clearing Corporation of India 2001 is CCIL for clearing and settlement in repos, CBLOs, GIL, etc. Derivatives derive value from underlying assets and or liabilities, and derivatives can be IRS, forward option, future, or currency swaps. IRS is interest rate swap. Future contract introduced by Chicago Mercantile Exchange in 1970 is world's first foreign exchange traded currency. In 1975, first interest rate futures are introduced. In 1980, interest rate swaps was introduced, and highest amount of deal allowed to be made is deal size limit. R value submitted to RBI in 15th and last day of every month. Two types of R, Nostro and Vostro. Documentary LC has 4 parties. RBI has issued ICG International Control Guidelines in 2011 for forex business. Dealing limits are overnight limit and daylight limit. Gap limit, counterparty limit, country and risk, dealer limit, settlement risk, stop loss limit, and deal size limit.